What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
Okay, here's the latest and greatest Quailridge, and she's a pretty one. There you go. It's filming.
All right.
So you touch the red button when you're done. There you go.
Thank you. All right, we're gonna see Holly and Randy's beautiful trailer. There's the steps going up to her loft. It's got a real nice cabinet over here. Go up a little higher so we're not looking at the railing. This is the other side. She's got another cabinet over here. Get a shot of her beautiful front windows that she actually designed. She wanted the windows, they look gorgeous. Okay, now we'll go back down. She's got a real nice washer and dryer. This is the master bedroom. Absolutely beautiful. Big cabinets, dresser drawers underneath. Done in the wainscot. Nice curtains and many blinds. This is the bathroom. The vanity. Nice shower, movable shower rod, so if you have wet towels you can hang them up there, or a swimsuit to let it drip in the tub. She's got beautiful counters. Pull-out sprayer faucet. I'm probably making people dizzy. I'm not very good at this. Kelly's way better. And her hutch is gorgeous over here. Okay, we'll get out of here and leave them in peace to enjoy their new trailer. They're wonderful people. Thank you guys.